Welcome, kids! Today, we're discovering the letter D. Let's dive into some fun words that start with D. Let's meet some awesome animals that start with D. Dogs are friendly and love to play. Deer run fast in the forest. Ducks love to swim in the water. Dolphins are smart and swim in the ocean. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago. Yummy! Let's look at some delicious fruits that start with D. Dates are sweet and chewy. Damsons are tiny purple plums. Dragon fruit looks like a dragon's skin. Durian is spiky and smells super strong. Davidson's plum is dark and juicy. Look around. These everyday things all start with D. Doors open and close to let us in. Drums make a big booming sound. Boom, boom. A dictionary helps us learn new words. Drawing is fun. What do you like to draw? Diamonds are shiny and beautiful. Now, you know 5 animals, 5 fruits, and 5 things that start with D. Yay! Keep practicing and discovering new words every day. See you next time. Bye-bye.